right.
Guarantee 2100.
Wow.
And her two kids got the equivalent of SAT wise of 1520 and 1530, taking that elite course. I'm just too cheap. Well, actually I would do it, but I don't think Kayla. There we go. Small one.
I got one. I got
All right, double.
This is a big one. It feels heavy.
All right, I'm gonna bring my fish
This is
around.
gripping line.
Bring it to the right side.
Okay.
I'm just gonna watch my fish.
Both of them together. Look at this one.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah.
Whoa, it's not done fighting yet.
Bendo. Wow,
Oh,
nice.
man.
That's
Look at
fun
this
on
guy's
that
still
pole.
ripping line.
It's gonna be a
He doesn't wanna
left-handed
give
job. A little bit, a little bit. Got it. Nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
Oh, look at this.
What is that, a 3.5?
Look at this.
Nice hook.
Yeah. Look at this.
Is that a spot? Or is it largemouth?
We're in the shade here. Let me give you some sunlight.
Oh yeah. Nice. It's got kind of a small mouth though. I
On a drop shot.
Yeah. All right, let me get my fish out of here.
Fish and then
Look how
take some
small mine
pictures.
is. Put mine next to yours here. Sorry. I could eat that one. All right.
Wait here.
There's the swim bait, and there's the fish. I got it. Small. It's a smallie. And finally, didn't swallow it.
Didn't expect that.
There he is.
Decent size.
You like your pole?
The drag is tight too. You feel it. Feel the drag. It's
Oh
it's
yeah.
not that light.
You're right.
These fish are strong.
Nice battle.
Yeah. Let's see who will win.
Nice. It's a nice fish.
Yeah.
They're all healthy.
Yeah.
Cool. I got bit.
Wow.
This time on this side.
Wow, that's a good one. That one looks bigger than the one you had.
Yeah. Oh, there's two fish following it. There were two bass following it. There's a couple out here. Wow,
Wow.
nice one.
This, ouch.
You okay?
Spot. He got some teeth on him. I'm gonna
Oh
take
yeah,
a picture.
you're right. Okay.
Take a picture of him.
That's a nice fish. Oh yeah, that's the spotted bass. I was catching him right here. It was just like towards the first bush and outward. But like I said, I can't cast this one vertical, so I think they're everywhere. Remember, they're all over this cove.
Getting hit again. There we go.
Yeah!
Yeah! Oh man, lost my worm too. There it is. Did I get
You want
it?
the net?
Here.
No, let me get it. You fish.
Okay, it's right there. It's floating. Hit the trolling motor. Oh.
Got it!
All right!
Yeah!
2 saves. Whoa!
We net the important fish, which is your lure.
Yeah.
Dream shot.
Right. Dream shot.
Man, there's a ton of them. You just have fun catching those guys all day long.
Fun. There we go.
Oh, that's a
man,
nicer one.
Worm. He flinged my worm right there.
Give me the net, give me the net. Save the worm. I got it.
Save the
I
worm.
got it.
Save the worm, not the fish.
I'm gonna throw the lure your way. That's a nice one. I'm gonna throw this at your knee, okay?
Okay. All right. Wow, this is a nice one.
Yeah. That's a largemouth.
Yeah.
Nice.
Whoa. They still go for the drop shot.
Oh, it's a drop shot. I see. Nice.
Wow. Whoa.
It's another fish jumping.
Yep.
Ooh, over there.
Goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm holding you up here. This is a good one.
Once I land this guy, I'm going to throw out that jerkbait. They're really spoiling. Oh, nope. Gotcha.
Okay, I got it. Go.
Okay, I want to see this beauty. Wow. Oh yeah. What it comes down to is those, you know, the better rods are lighter and more sensitive, so you get both.
See?
Yeah, you got him?
Yeah.
Ooh, that might be on video. Oops. There you go. Oh, nope. Bring it. Oh, jeez. Keep him in the water. Oh, that's a good hook set anyway. Wow, nice.
This was...
Nice.
Look at that. Beautiful.
That is not going anywhere. Look at
Oh,
that
yeah.
hook set.
Look
Nice
at that,
hook
right
set.
on the nose.
Cool.
Car accident one time.
Stings.
Yeah, it burned like anything. Just took a bottle of water, just splashed water right away. So I never put it above my eye. Wow.
Oh.
Holy cow.
There's one following it. It's a big one.
Holy
Wow.
cow, that's the biggest one.
Wow,
When
look
you
at
set
that.
the hook and the rod doesn't move,
Yeah.
that's a big one.
It's like setting into a brick.
That's a big one.
These guys are hungry, man. Look at that.
They inhaled it? Holy
Yeah,
crap.
I'll be able to get this one out though. It's huge.
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah!
First Carolina rig fish.
Oh, it's a big one. Big one.
Is this on?
Yeah.
Cool. Adam's first sea rig fish. Don't get it out of the water. Nice.
Oh
Nice.
my goodness. Look at that.
Adam's first Carolina rig. Nice.
Yep. Oh man, he sucked it in.
Yeah, man, they're inhaling it. Had one on?
Pulling the line up. Whoa, it's a big one.
Adam's second fish on the Carolina rig.
Yeah. It's just when it was coming up, too.
It's a nice one. That is a nice one. Look at that. That's a good 3.5 pounds. Think it's pushing 4? 3.5, right?
Yeah.